Hello, and welcome to this Alliance Core Tips and Tricks video. In this video, we're going to be running through a common scenario with an easy fix. What do you do when a parent arrives at your center and realizes that they have forgotten their sign-in, sign-out code? So, there's two things that you as the administrator can do, and we're going to run through them both. And if you do have any questions on this at the end, as always, please feel free to email us or give us a call at 844-293-2820. Okay, so the situation. Grandma Judith is here, and she's forgotten her sign-in code. Now, since Core is licensing compliant, it means no one else is allowed to know her code, including you. But the system knows it. So that's actually going to be our first solution. We're going to have the system tell her what her code is. So we can do this by clicking on the Email, Parents, and Staff options underneath the Communications tab. And then what we're going to do, we're going to hit Add because this is a new email. Who does this come from? Doesn't really matter. We're going to choose Selected Parents because we don't want this to go to everybody. We just want it to go to one. And I'll say Display as Individuals. Choose Grandma Judith over here. Okay, so subject of the email, forgotten code or anything like that. And then the actual content of the message, whatever we want. That stuff is pretty much up to you, whatever you want to fill. The important bit for this is checking this little box right here. Append kiosk/portal credentials in email. What this is doing is when it's checked, when the email is sent, Grandma Judith is going to receive this email. Her code's going to be attached. So all we'd have to do at this point is just hit send and it would go off to her. But let's pretend Grandma Judith doesn't have access to her email. She doesn't know how to get in there. She needs to figure out how to sign in right here, right now. Well, we can do that too. It's just going to be found in a little bit of a different place inside Core. So we're actually going to click on the Parents and Children tab and then the Emergency Contact/Authorized Pickup. Now, why we're going here is we want to go directly to Grandma Judith's sign-out area. So again, we click on here, Grandma Judith, and you can see I can't see what her sign-in, sign-out code is. The only thing I get is Reset Security Code. And that's what I'm going to be clicking on. When I click on this, a new temporary kiosk security code is created. I can then tell Grandma Judith this code, and when she punches into the kiosk, she's then able to choose what she wants her new permanent code to be. So that's really all that needs to be done. I'm not going to save this page just because I'm Grandma Judith and I know what her code is. But, in this kind of situation, we just save this page and you'd be done. So again, two easy ways to help out a parent that can't remember what their sign-in, sign-out code is. And please either email us or call us at 844-293-2820 if you have any further questions. All right, thank you all, and I hope you have a great day.